Alright, hi gang, welcome to DumbBros World. This is MadMikey Ron1. What we're going to do today is a Iraqi veteran 8888 ManCan opening. This is the July box. They have three levels. This is a $39.99, they have a $59.99 and a $99.99. And what I like about them, and something to keep in mind, is it's a good way to support your favorite gun channel and also get something for that money. So just like a lot of the t-shirts we have, like this is a Hank Strange, was bought through his website, came from Forge from Freedom, helps his channel out, so you kind of get something and helping out your favorite gun channels, which they all need that these days. So let's get into this, bro. Let's open this up and see what's in this lower end.
How are we gonna open it?
Okay, pull out a knife, you dumbass.
Oh, jeez.
Let's see. There. It's a pretty light one. I've bought one before, and this one's pretty light. One I got last time was that was probably been a year ago. It was pretty heavy, but it did have some steel. Actually, it had some steel targets in it. So not much in this one. Let's go through it here. Let's start with, here's a box. It looks like, what do you think that looks like?
Condoms?
Well, they must be steel shielded ones if they are. It's a knife, you dumb bro.
Oh. Hey!
Wow.
You should have used that to open the box.
Well, man, that's a pretty nice knife. It's heavy. I think it's all metal.
Oh, it is heavy.
Says anything about?
It says IV8888 on it. That's cool.
Does it really? I thought they had a sheet that told you about the items in here, but I guess not. So, it's pretty dang sharp. Pretty nice looking knife. Jeez.
I like it.
Yeah, nice size. Here, see if that's sharp.
It's got some weight to it.
I don't even see anywhere on there who made that, bro.
IV8888.
No.
I don't see a brand name on it.
Huh. Yeah, I don't see anything about who might have made it. Okay, that. Where you going? One thing. What is this little thing? Pocket dump.
Oh, you can take a dump in your pocket.
Wow.
That's handy.
No more finding a bathroom. Hey,
Unless you're at the DMV or something like
we
that.
actually need this knife. If we were in San Francisco, you wouldn't even need this.
No, sure.
Just take a dump in the street.
That's right.
Oh, I think it's a...
There go our San Francisco viewers.
Oh, it's a pouch. Pocket dump patch. Pouch. Patch. There's Velcro on it. It's a patch.
It's not a pouch.
Patch, I said. I changed it.
Pocket dump patch. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So, that's the second thing. We've already used the knife.
Just lay it out here.
And Magnet by Keybar.
Magnet.
What the hell is a magnet?
It's a magnetic nut all but.
Magnetic quick clasp, specifically designed for the key bar, but works on tools and other pesky
I think it's a way you can
items that
attach,
you can
like,
need
for
for
your
quick
keys.
mounting. Like it mounts to something. Take a look, and it's got a couple rings that can go on each side. Oh,
Yeah, it's like a quick disconnect.
Yeah.
Keys and stuff.
I'll be darned, and it's got a magnet together.
Yeah, that's cool.
Two little rings to hook something on there. Okay. And that again is from Magnet by Keybar. Okay. And we got a, looks like a discount thing here for 20% off from Keybar. I'll have to go check out their website and see what else they have to
I think I've heard good things about them.
Oh yeah? Looks like. Here's another card, Coltac. 10% off your next purchase at coltac.com. I've no
Never
idea.
heard of Coltac.
I haven't either, so we'll have to go
Check
to their
that out,
website
too.
and see what that is. Oh, here's one thing from Coltac. It was sitting in here. This is like looks like a credit card holder that will go on a belt. It's kind of got some, what do you call that kind of camouflage? Like that animal
Realtree
look in there, cryptic or something. Camel kind of.
Maybe you hold your knife in there.
Kind of a camel little pouch with belt loop on it for, I would guess, credit cards or whatever you want to put in it, kind of. And that's it. Well, that doesn't seem like much, I'll have to kind of admit. But again, you know, you're getting something for giving money to help support a gun channel, so...
Well, the knife was probably worth what you paid for the box.
Yeah, it could be. I'm surprised whoever made it doesn't put their name on there. And I guess if you find something on these coupons here, it'd be worth it. So there it is, July's $39.99 Iraqi Vet 8888 ManCan opening.
Ooh!
Catch you guys later. What
Thank you,
I'm going to
Iraqi.
do next, he doesn't know yet. I'm going to make him do a pocket dump for me. So look for that video.
Oh no!